saying Vuyokazi should leave and find a better guy. Maybe Tirelo can do that. But Vuyokazi, she will never leave, guys. She will never leave. She will never leave Mpumelelo. You know how many girls they came after Vuyokazi and she was still there, standing there. Girls like that, they will never leave a relationship. Remember, Vuyokazi has 2 kids with Mpumelelo. I'm not saying that people should stay in that relationship. But what I'm trying to say, here we are talking about Vuyokazi. The girl was there when Mpumelelo was doing the shindi and she stayed. So there's no way these women can leave her man just like that. She will fight, even if she does not come Mamkulu, but she will stay in that relationship. It's not easy, guys. Even our own parents, you know what, they are failing. It's not easy to leave a man that you love, especially if you have kids. It's not that easy. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm not advocating that people should stay in the type of relationship, but I'm just saying that